नमस्कार दोस्तों। लास्ट 6 मंथ करंट अफेयर सीरीज के पार्ट 4 अब देखेंगे हम, जिसमें हमने 33 क्वेश्चन को सेलेक्टिवली इसमें इंक्लूड किया है, जो कि लग ऑलमोस्ट सभी वनडे एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। जिसमें हम बायो प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, स्टैच्यू ऑफ लॉर्ड रामा एंड महाराष्ट्राज एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट स्लोगन सभी देखेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इससे पहले आप वीडियो को लाइक कर दिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच स्टेट्स एग्रीकल्चरल डिपार्टमेंट रिसेंटली अपडेटेड द स्लोगन शाश्वत खेती समृद्ध शेतकारी। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज गुजरात। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज महाराष्ट्र। अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग स्लोगन शाश्वत शेती समृद्ध शेतकरी महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच पुलिस स्टेशन वाज नेम्ड द बेस्ट इन इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द 60th ऑल इंडिया पुलिस डायरेक्टर जनरल इंस्पेक्टर जनरल कॉन्फ्रेंस हेल्ड इन नया रायपुर। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज गाजीपुर पुलिस स्टेशन दिल्ली। गाजीपुर पुलिस स्टेशन दिल्ली। Delhi, not in Gazipur. Gazipur police station is the name and it is located in Delhi. Next question. Where did ISRO Chief B. Narayanan inaugurate the Anant Center of Excellence for Navigation on November 25, 2025? So the correct option is B. Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram of Kerala. Next question. India's first bioprocessing plant named iBio was started in which location? The correct option is B. Genome Valley, Telangana. तेलंगाना के जिनोम वैली तेलंगाना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ इंडियाज फर्स्ट इंडिजिनस CAR T cell therapy launched by Prime Minister Modi in November 2025? The correct option is A. Nextcare 19. Nextcare 19. Next question which high court recently recognized cryptocurrency as property? The correct option is Madras High Court. Madras High Court recognized cryptocurrency as property. Next question which satellite was successfully launched by ISRO using the LVM-3 M5 launch vehicle on November 2, 2025? The correct option is B. GSAT-7R CM. GSAT-7R CM03. Next question according to the NTCA report of January 2026, how many tigers died in India in the year 2025? The correct option is 166 tiger died last year. Next question, a new species of wolf snake found in Great Nicobar Island has been named after which conservationist? So the correct option is Steve Irwin. Steve Irwin. Next question, according to the Ministry of Power, what was India's total installed electricity generation capacity as of October 31st, 2025? So the generation capacity is 5,05,023 megawatt. Option B the correct option, 5,05,023 megawatt. Next question, which international airport has become India's first water positive airport? India's first water positive airport, that is Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. Next question, in which state did the Indian Army launch the community radio station Radio Dirang 88.4 FM in December 2025? The correct option is Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Next question, in which state did Prime Minister Modi unveil the world's largest 77 feet statue of Lord Ram on November 28, 2025? So the correct answer is B, Goa. In Goa, world's tallest statue of Lord Rama inaugurated. Option is Goa. Next question, in which city was Skyroot Aerospace Infinity Campus inaugurated by the Prime Minister by video conferencing on November 27, 2025? Correct answer is Hyderabad. Option B, Hyderabad. Next question, which AI-powered diagnostic model developed by scientists from S.N. Bose National Center and Ashoka University analyzes cancer at the molecular level? The correct answer is OncoMark. OncoMark. Next question, which IIT launched the RISE Research, Innovation, Skilling and Entrepreneurship Initiative in November 2025? So the correct answer is IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur. Next question, a statue of which great Indian personality was unveiled at the UNESCO headquarter in Paris in November 2025. The great personality is Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. Next question, in November 2025, the Union Finance Minister inaugurated a modern river ferry terminal on the Brahmaputra river in which city? So the correct option is B. Guwahati. B. Guwahati. Next question: who was appointed as the celebrity advocate of UNICEF India in November 2025? So the correct option is B. Kirti Suresh. Kirti Suresh. Next question: what is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index CCPI 2026 released in November 2025? So the correct option is C. 23rd. So in the Climate Change Performance Index, India's ranking is 23rd. Next question: by which year has the Indian government set a target to fully implement the e-passport facility? So to implement e-passport facility by 2035. Correct option is B. 2035. Next question: which state has become the first in India to have 100% cyber fraud response system? The correct option is C. Goa. 100% fraud response system, Goa. Which state cabinet approved a proposal for a bill to ban polygamy in November 2025? The correct option is B. Assam. B. Assam. Which site from Himachal Pradesh was included in UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve in October 2025? So UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve, that is C. Cool Desert Biosphere Reserve. Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. Next question: which country named the cyclonic storm Ditwa that hit the coast of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Andhra Pradesh in November 2005? So the named Ditwa is given by the country Yemen. Yemen. Next question: what rank did India achieve in the Asia Power Index 2025 released by the Lobby Institute in November 2025? The correct answer is third. C. Third. Asia Power Index 2005. India's ranking is third. Next question: which first private space rocket of India was unveiled by PM Modi on November 27, 2025? The correct option is Vikram 1. Vikram 1. Next question: which neighboring country of India recently released a new 100 rupee note showing some Indian territories as its own? 100 rupee note showing some Indian territory as its own. That is Nepal. Nepal is trying to indicate some Indian territory as their own. Next question: in which city did Elon Musk company Tesla open India's first all-in-one center in November 2025? The correct option is Gurugram. Option C, Gurugram. Next question: Gogabil Lake, recently declared as the 94th Ramsar site of India, is located in which district of Bihar? So it is located in Bihar, and which district? Then it is located in Katihar district of Bihar. So next question: which state government announced the imposition of green tax on vehicles entering the state starting from the December 2025? So green tax is being imposed by Uttarakhand. Green tax is being imposed by Uttarakhand government. Next question: which country gave the name Motha to the cyclone that developed in the Bay of Bengal in October 2005? Motha name is given by the country Thailand. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till.